Hi Grade 1, Miss Pizzullo here.
And Mr. Ouija.
And today, just before you go off and play Last Shape Wins with either a friend or a brother or a sister or mum and dad, I thought you might like to join Mr. Ouija and I for a quick game.
Yeah.
All right, so remember the game is called Last Shape Wins. So whoever puts the last shape down is the winner. So, Mr. Ouija, can I go first?
Of course you can.
All right, I might start with this shape over here, and because I'm the first, I can kind of put it anywhere. So I think I might pop it over in this corner here.
And Miss Pizzullo, what shape did you use?
I used a trapezoid.
Thank you for using your shape names. Now, the next shape that I'm thinking of putting down is going to be, I think I'm going to use a big shape. I'm going to use a hexagon. So I'm going to use this hexagon and I'm going to make sure that it's touching the side of the trapezoid.
Oh, that's a good tip, Mr. Ouija. Remember that your shapes have to go down in a way so that they're touching the side of the previous shape. Okay, Mr. Ouija, I think I might use a triangle, and I think I might put it in this little pocket right over here so that it's touching the hexagon that you put down.
Fantastic. Now, I'm going to use a rhombus. I think I'm going to use this blue rhombus right here because I'm using my eyes and I can see that there is a rhombus shape gap that I can fill by putting it right there.
Nice work, Mr. Ouija. Okay. I think I might get another trapezoid out because I can see that a trapezoid might fit nicely over here.
Now, I can use a triangle because I can see a triangle gap here, but I think it might be more useful for me to use bigger shapes right now because there is a bigger space. So you know what? I think I'm going to go for a trapezoid, and I'm going to match this corner of the trapezoid to this side like so. Whoops, gap.
Nice idea, Mr. Ouija. That's a great idea. Okay, my turn again, and I think Mr. Ouija had a bit of a point there by using bigger shapes. We've got big spaces still to fill in, so I'm going to pick up another hexagon, and I'm going to add it right here.
I see what you did there, Miss Pizzullo. Okay, so carry on with this. I'm looking. Now, mathematicians, what do you think? Should I be using a triangle right now? Or should I be using a trapezoid? A rhombus? Could I even use a hexagon? I think I'm going to go with the trapezoid. The trapezoid is going to touch this shape over here.
Oh, very tricky. See, what Mr. Ouija has done by putting that shape there is that we only have triangle spaces left. Do you see this hole here for a triangle? Triangle, 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 triangle. Ooh, I wonder how strategic that was. Well, my only option is to use a triangle, and I'm going to put mine right here.
Okay. Now, Miss Pizzullo's put down her triangle, so then I'm going to have to put down my triangle right here.
Oh dear, are you thinking ahead, Grade 1? Are you thinking about who might win if Miss Pizzullo puts the next piece down here? What are you thinking? I'm getting a little happy.
Wow, planning forward is definitely something that you should be doing because that's going to help you with the kinds of shape that you put down onto your record sheet. Now let me have a look. So I'm thinking right now, and if I put down this triangle over here, that would only mean one thing.
That the last shape wins, and that's me. The last shape wins.
Now, first grade, going back to when Mr. Ouija played the trapezoid, was there a different shape that I could have played to ensure that I was going to win? Have a think. Now, Miss Pizzullo and I, we're going to high five because we're good sports.
Yep.
And
Good game, Mr. Ouija.
thank you very much. And over to you guys. Have fun.